Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year's Eve. I cannot believe tomorrow is already 2018. That's so crazy to me. But I figured I would vlog today because I did last year and it was so much fun. I have some really fun plans tonight, but right now I'm all bundled up because it's literally -5 degrees out in Buffalo, which is ridiculous. So I have to stay warm. And since I've been gone, I actually have really good news. I had my post-op appointment a couple days ago from surgery and they cleared me to get rid of the crutches, which is so great. I got off of them a week early, so now I'm just in my brace for one more week and then I don't have to wear that either, which is so exciting. You guys have no clue how much of a pain it is to be in a brace and crutches when it's like the busiest time of the year. So obviously I'm going to be changing for the party tonight, but this is just what I'm wearing right now. I got this new scarf from Jessica and a black long sleeve and my black pants. So current outfit of the day. Hello, Coco. I'm getting so big, so fast. Say hi, Coco. Hey, baby. Oh, thank you. Now I'm in the car with my mom and we're gonna go to Kohl's because I have a gift card and I also have Kohl's cash to spend. So I want to look for a shirt for New Year's, which is today. But I can't wear a skirt like I like to usually do because of my brace. So the next best thing is a new shirt. Here with mom. And yeah. We're here.
Be slippery, okay?
Valet service. Provided by mom. Ooh, I like those sleeves. Crushed velvet shirts are like really cute, but I don't know if they're like fancy enough for New Year's. I want to be a little fancier. I have to say I'm not very impressed with the pickings today. There's nothing that's like standing out to me. I need something. Everything's just like black, you know? I'm getting off track like always, but look at how cute this is. This would be so cute for my spring break trip to Florida. I hate to say it, but Kohl's is not impressing me today. I haven't found like anything. And all else fails, to the home decor section we go. 50 bucks for this pillow? That is not worth it. But like, look at all the sparkles. Found the clearance and we're going a little bit crazy. Splurging. This cute hat is only $2. $2 for this hat. We made out like bandits. I got a lot of good deals in this bag. I got like 6 things for $7 or something crazy. Got some good deals, but I didn't even get what I was going for, which always happens. No shirt for New Year's, but I'm gonna shop my mom's closet for something to wear tonight. We're back home. I'm in my mom's closet. Gonna raid the closet. So like I really wanted to wear something like sparkly because it's New Year's Eve and like you can. There was just nothing at Kohl's. Here's option 1. I kind of like it. The back is really cool, but I don't know. Okay, so I also have this maroon long sleeve mesh top and it's so cute. I bought it for like going out and stuff during the semester. But I really like it. And then this is the third option. Obviously I wouldn't wear like this bra underneath, but I like it, but I'm not sure if I like love it for tonight because it's cute. But I don't know. I don't even know if I showed you guys this one, but I decided on wearing this top. I actually thrifted it from Goodwill. Got this from Goodwill for like $1 and it's so cute. This is when you know you have a makeup problem. You have all the naked palettes and 3 more palettes just to make one makeup look. Oh my god, this highlight. The sunlight is literally making me look like an orange. Good. Alright. So my makeup is all done. All I have to do is put my red lipstick on and I'm gonna wait till later because it's still really early, but I'm really happy with how the makeup turned out. If you guys want an in-depth tutorial on how I did this, let me know down below because I can definitely do that in a separate video. Now I have to do my hair. I think I want to just keep it straight because it's going to be a lot easier. So, mom and dad are over there. The Bills are playing the Dolphins. And we'll find out if they make it to playoffs today. So hopefully they win. Fingers crossed. Looks good. Is this meat or bean? Some good looking dip. I have a little table here and I'm gonna do this color by Essie. So guys, finished my nails. I think they look really cute. They are rose gold to match my watch and they thought they were just festive. Hello.
Hi.
So we're here. Ryan's doing his thing as usual, playing his little game. And we're watching the Bills game. Touchdown!
That's awesome.
Nice.
Woo!
Happy New Year. We got
Please
pizza.
let's not bring them back
We got
and forth to the
shrimp.
parties.
Some sausage. There's way more over there. More food. We got deviled eggs. More pizza. And there's pierogies in here. Did you have any? No. I know.
Enjoy our feast.
We have a lot of food. All the little props right here. And there's a little cute little photo booth. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Well, I mean, it's like Prince Harry.
We made it to the vlog.
I made it in the vlog. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Spam.
Everybody grab a handful of headphones.
That was beautiful.
It's a playoff spin.
A playoff spin.
Nine.
What is this called? Headbands?
Yeah.
DIY headbands.
Uncle Brian, maybe. Normal people.
Doggo! Doggo! Oh, look at all the balloons. There's a lot of balloons. And parkas.
There's only room for one sheriff in this town. It's me.
15 minutes till midnight. And I put my little crown on. So now we're ready.
I got a hat on my hat. Cowboy. How do you do?
Oh, hey, Colin. Howdy do.
How to doodle.
Everyone's dressed in their party hats.
The girls had one top.
I was calm and collected. Everyone's screaming around me. I got a thing blown off.
Look at all those fireworks. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Wow, look at the
It's
table.
so handy.
How did that even happen? I love the glitter.
We just need Matt.
Let's keep it forever. So guys, obviously it is the next day, but I just wanted to end the vlog and say thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed another New Year's vlog. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below if you aren't already, and join the fam. Also, I'm announcing the giveaway winner for my Christmas giveaway. So the winner to my Christmas giveaway is Hey It's Alley Cat. So it'll be on the screen and I'm gonna notify you already by the time you see this video. But thank you to everyone who entered, and don't worry, I'll have more giveaways in the future. Let's make 2018 the best year yet, and hopefully it's full of good memories and good health. And I think that's everything. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!